Once upon a time, any Mara Onwe, any our drum spoke louder than fear. Our fathers taught us wisdom, not hatred. Our mothers sang truth into our ears. But today we point fingers at our roots, calling culture evil, calling ancestors bad. We wear foreign crowns with borrowed pride, yet we are ashamed of who we are. Who taught us to hate our